I spent 30 days and $40 real testing the 5 most popular budgeting apps in 2026, and honestly, 3 of them wasted my time. One of them found me $211 in subscriptions I forgot I was paying for in the first week. Here's exactly which app is worth your money and which ones you should skip completely. If you've searched Best Budgeting App recently, you've probably seen 10 different lists all saying something different, and half of them are just paid placements. So I did the boring version. I linked my real accounts to 5 apps: YNAB, Rocket Money, Monarch Money, Copilot, and the free version of Mint's replacement, and ran them side by side for a full month. Same transactions, same bank feeds, same goals. This video is the result, ranked from worst to best with the actual numbers. Let's clear these out fast. Copilot looks beautiful, genuinely the nicest interface of the bunch, but it's Apple only, and if half your household is on Android, that's a deal breaker. It's also $49 a year, better spend elsewhere. Monarch Money is solid for couples who want shared budgets, but the 30-day free trial pushes hard into a $99 annual plan, and I found its automatic categorization got confused on anything with a subscription bundled into it, streaming services mostly. And the free option? I won't name the exact clone, but you know the one. The bank sync broke twice during my test month. For a free tool, that's actually fine. For something you're trying to build a real habit around, it's not good enough. Rocket Money's whole pitch is subscription hunting, and it delivers. Within the first 3 days, it flagged 14 recurring charges I'd completely forgotten about: an old streaming trial, a forgotten app subscription, a gym membership I hadn't used in 4 months. That's where the $211 came from. I canceled 7 of them in-app with 2 taps. The free tier is genuinely useful just for that audit alone. Where it falls short is proactive budgeting. It's reactive, telling you what already happened rather than helping you plan what's coming. If your biggest problem is subscription bloat, start here. It's free to try, and I'll drop the link below.
YNAB, You Need a Budget, is the one I'm still using a week after finishing this test, and that's the real signal. It's built around zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets assigned a job before you spend it, which sounds intense, but the app makes it almost automatic after the first week. The learning curve is real. Expect to spend 20 to 30 minutes on setup, but once your categories are built, YNAB caught something neither other app did. It showed me I was borrowing from Peter to pay Paul across categories, meaning I kept covering overspending in one area with money meant for another, without ever seeing the full picture. YNAB made that pattern impossible to ignore. It's $14.99 a month, or $99 a year. There's no permanent free tier, but they offer a real 34-day trial, and for anyone who's tried budgeting apps before and always fallen off after a few weeks, the behavioral design here is what makes it stick. If you want to actually try it, I've got a link in the description. Quick summary: if your problem is, I don't know what I'm subscribed to, start with Rocket Money. It's free. If your problem is, I don't know where my money goes every month, YNAB is worth the subscription. It paid for itself in the first 2 weeks for me just from the spending I redirected. Either way, pick one and actually use it for 30 days before judging it. The app doesn't fix your budget. It just makes it impossible to lie to yourself about it. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only based on my own month of testing. If this saved you from downloading 5 apps yourself, subscribe. Next Wednesday, I'm breaking down a real case study: how someone paid off $47,000 in credit card debt with the exact math. See you then.